Hi guys, it's Carrie out at Gila Bend again, and we are doing another virtual alphabet story time. Today we are featuring the letter R. The letter R looks like this. Here's the uppercase R and the lowercase r. And R makes the sound. Let's put our R up there. Okay, so there's letter R. What are some things that start with the letter R? Well, a rocket. Whoosh! A rocket starts with the letter R. So let's put our rocket over there. Okay. And, let's see. A rhinoceros starts with the letter R. Rhinoceros. Let's put rhinoceros. Maybe here. I'm saving the spot in the middle. Let's see. Roadrunners start with the letter R. Roadrunner's pretty cool. Let's do Roadrunner here. Okay. And finally, raccoons start with the letter R. That raccoon has a strawberry and it looks like he's really going to enjoy it. So we have all these things that start with the letter R, including robots too and rabbits. So all kinds of things start with the letter R. Let's see, we missed our rocket a little bit. But yay, the letter R. The book we're going to read today is called Secret Pizza Party by Adam Rubin and Danielle Salmieri. Let's find out what happens. Yay! Secret Pizza Party by Adam Rubin and illustrated by Danielle Salmieri. Poor raccoon. All he wants in life is some pizza. Who doesn't? If only he knew how to ask politely. Pizza. So beautiful you could hang it on the wall of a museum. So convenient you could eat it in the bathtub. Of course, the best part about pizza is the gooey cheesiness, salty pepperoniness, sweet tomato-ness, and crispity, crunchity crust. Yum. Sorry, raccoon. I didn't mean to rub it in. Hey, cheer up. I just had a great idea. Let's throw a pizza party at your house tonight. Shh. Don't tell anyone. This will be a secret pizza party. I know what you're thinking. Why would we keep such a delicious party a secret? Okay, sure. It's so folks don't show up to bonk you with brooms, but that's not the only reason. When you make something secret, you make it special. Regular handshake. Boring. Secret handshake? Booyah. Regular staircase? Tiring. Secret staircase? Terrific. Regular pizza party? Get that raccoon off that table. Secret pizza party? Get that raccoon another slice of pizza. He's the guest of honor. Oh, hot diggity dog. Our pizza party is going to be so much fun. Call the pizza man and tell him to bring over his absolute finest pizza pie. Hang on a minute. You don't want the delivery guy to know where you live. He might recognize you from the posters and chase you off with a broom. Think, raccoon. Think. Okay, good plan. Now, play it cool. You're just an honest pizza buying citizen who left his wallet in the car. The pizza man thinks you'll be right back. Let's go! I've planned the perfect getaway route around the broom factory, over the broom enthusiast club, past the raccoon sniffing broom bots. Wait a second. Raccoon sniffing broom bots? Uh-oh. Ah! Run, raccoon! Run like the wind! Oh, phew. We made it. Let's barricade the doors and pop open that pizza box. Secret pizza party! Oops, I said that kind of loud. Sorry. Pizza smell gives me the happy screams! Try not to crunch too loud. Definitely no high-fiving or music or dancing. In fact, we better turn off the lights and whisper just to be safe. Secret pizza party. What's the matter? Sweet sassy molasses! Look at all that pizza! Clearly, these people are much better at throwing parties than they are at keeping secrets. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's a secret party. Look, they all have masks on. Okay, you're in. Just play it cool. No one suspects a thing, because you have a mask just like they do. Uh-oh, you've lost control. Secret pizza party! Here comes the brooms. The end. What a great story. So, what a great story that was. That was really fun. I wanted to show you guys the wanted pizza theft poster on the back too. That's pretty fun. I also found a book that I wanted to share with you guys. It's called Into the Woods by David Elliott, and it's a book of poems of different animals. And there's one about the raccoon. So I'm going to read that to you guys, and I apologize, I might mess up a few words. The raccoon. The Pa'atan call you racoon, the one who scratches with its hands. But the eyes behind the mask reveal the one who understands. Isn't that just beautiful? I love the artwork, and the poem is so pretty. But there's also, in the back of this book, they list a bunch of notes about all the different animals that are in this book of poems. So, the raccoon. What do raccoons have in common with pigs? The male is called a boar, the female a sow. In captivity, a raccoon can live for as long as 20 years, but in the wild that number is greatly reduced, usually to only 2 or 3. Diseases and cars are a wild raccoon's worst enemies. Interesting, huh? So, Into the Woods, Secret Pizza Party. Let's see, can I set these back here? Let's get this back here. These are some raccoon books. Yeah, they're not gonna stay. And we also have The Kissing Hand by Audrey Penn. That's a very great book with raccoons in it. These are my favorite raccoon books. But if you're just looking for letter R, Sadie Sprocket Builds a Rocket is a great story. And so is The Rabbit Listened. Those are some of my favorite R books. Okay, the other thing we're gonna do today for letter R is make a little raccoon craft. Yay! I saw this mostly on the internet, but I kind of changed a few things, so it's a slightly different raccoon. But let's put that up here, see if he'll stay. All right. Okay, so what are you gonna need today? You are going to need white cardstock. I already made one, so I'm going to use the rest of my paper to make the one with you guys. I already made my example. You're going to need white cardstock. You're going to need a couple of googly eyes, or you can draw your own eyes, or you can use sticker eyes, but some googly eyes. You're going to need some black paper, cardstock. Again, I am using just some scraps I had. So I'm using scratch paper, but you can definitely use full sheets. And you're going to need 3 craft sticks, scissors, And glue dots or glue. Glue dots made this one super easy, okay? So I'm just gonna get started. You start by making a triangle. I'm going to use my glue dots on there. Got a triangle. Then I'm going to take scratch paper. Mine already kind of had some pointed edges, so I'm just going to use those. But just cut yourself some nice triangles, okay? And I doubled mine up so that I was sure that they were about the same size, right? I had them doubled. So now I can put on the back, a little glue dot over here. And I can put mine here. Let's see, how did that go? Like that. All right, so now you have your ears for your raccoon face. Again, I'm just taking some scratch pieces, kind of putting them together. And then what I kind of want is I'm just kind of cutting something roundish into a point. Kind of teardrop shaped, kind of, or raindrop shape. But when you take those apart and you lay them this way, they kind of look like the mask of a raccoon. Ha! So then, more glue dots. You're going to cut a triangle. Raccoons looking really cute. Now we just take one of these scratch pieces of paper and we try to cut like a little triangle again. This is the hardest one for me. Because it just never seems right. Let's see, I want to make this side a little more. But I'm just trying to make a curved, cute little nose. You can make it any shape you want. I keep getting smaller and smaller. Maybe I better just stop. And we'll put that little nose right there, okay? Get a little glue dot there. And of course you can use stick glue or Elmer's glue, whatever you happen to have. So let's see, let's take a look at this. Here's our little craft stick raccoon. Isn't he cute? I bet he could eat lots of pizza. Yum, 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 yum. Pizza!